Another task that you will come across very often is to convert units. So let us discuss some basic units. We'll start with the unit of length. Alright. So generally we start from a millimeter. Then we go to a centimeter, decimeter, meter, decameter, hectometer, kilometer. So now 10 millimeters makes 1 centimeter. 10 centimeter makes 1 decimeter. 10 decimeter makes 1 meter. So 10 meters is 1 decameter. 10 decameter is 1 hectometer. 10 hectometer is 1 kilometer. Okay. So this is basically for length. Now, suppose we are going to find squares. Now you have seen that square is length times length. Is it not? So you can have 1 millimeter square, 1 centimeter square, and so on. So let us see how to convert these things between different units. Okay. So first let's start with length and then we'll come back to area again. So let's say I want to convert 1 kilometers to meter. Now see, 1 meter, 10 meters is 1 decameter. 10 decameter is 1 hectometer. So that means 100 meters, is it not? And then 10 hectometers is 1 kilometer. So that will be 1000 meters. So 1 kilometers you want to express in terms of meters. So from meter you start coming down. You have to take 3 hops, right? So that is 10 times 10 times 10. So 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. Similarly, let's say you wanted to convert centimeter to meter. Let's make it ulta. So you want to find out 1 centimeters is how many meters. Now centimeter you want to express in terms of meter. Now meter is a larger unit, so centimeter will be a fraction of it. So I'll write 1 by. Now how many hops between centimeter and meters? 2. So therefore I can write 1 by 100 meters is 1 centimeters, or rearrange and you can say 100 centimeters is 1 meter. Okay. Now let us go to the areas. So as I said, you just have to put squares and you get the same series there also. But let's say you wanted to convert 1 meter square to centimeter square. Now 1 meter square basically means 1 meter times 1 meter. Now 1 meter is how many centimeters? 100. So you could have written 100 centimeters times 100 centimeters. So that will become 10,000 centimeters squared, or 10,000 square centimeters. So that is how you can get a relation between meter square and centimeter square. Then if you come to volume, now volume generally we talk about cubic units, right? So instead of a square we talk about a cube. So there what will you get? You'll get 1 millimeter cube, 1 centimeter cube, and so on. Now let's say I want to convert 1 meter cube to centimeter cube. Now 1 meter cube is what? 1 meter times 1 meter times 1 meter. Now 1 meter is how many centimeters? 1 meter is 100 centimeters. So 100 centimeters times 100 centimeters times 100 centimeters. So that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 centimeter cube. In other words, 1 million or 10 power 6 centimeter cube is 1 meter cube. Now, another thing which is not there in this list and which we should know is a liter. 1 liter is essentially 1000 centimeter cube. You should remember this particular unit. 1 liter is 1000 centimeter cube. And also another thing to remember is 1 meter cube is therefore 1000 liters. 1 meter cube is 1000 liters. Okay. Another thing to keep in mind is that 1 milliliter is the same as 1 centimeter cube. And why would that be? 1 milliliter means 1,000th of a liter, right? So 1 liter is 1000 centimeter cube. Therefore 1,000th of 1000 centimeter cube is 1 centimeter cube. So these are multiples. You should remember milli. Milli is what? 10 power minus 3. What is kilo? Kilo is 10 power 3. So there is a standard list of these multiples, both positive and negative, which is available. Okay, so all these things, make a note of it, learn the list that has been given, right, and keep it handy for when you have to do the conversions.